Good morning, children. Today we are going to continue with the lesson Life in Temperate Regions. In the earlier class, we have read about the prairies, and now today we are going to take up the velds as the temperate grasslands of South Africa. Now, they are located in the eastern part of the plateau of South Africa between the Drakensberg Mountain in the southeast and Kalahari Desert in the northwest. Now, velds are rolling plateaus with varying heights, and we can divide the velds into two parts, that is, high velds and middle velds. And the rivers which drain this region are Limpopo, Sabi, and Orange. Now, as far as climate is compared, when we compare the climate of velds with that of the prairies, the climate over here is moderate. Winters are cold and dry, and summers are short and warm. The climate gets cooler as the height increases. The rainfall is low and it is mainly in summers. The area often faces drought condition. Now, regarding the natural vegetation and wildlife in velds, we will see that velds are temperate grasslands, we all know, and what the vegetation over here is generally the grasses, both tall as well as short, then bushes and scattered trees we can see all around the area. Then trees are generally restricted to the river banks on higher slopes. Wildlife over here includes lions, leopards, cheetahs, giraffe, etc. But their numbers are dwindling, becoming less because of hunting and poaching. So, several national parks and wildlife sanctuaries have also been set up in order to protect these animals and promote tourism. Now, people, the main occupation of people over here are animal rearing and mining. And agriculture is not very important activity because the rainfall is very low and poor quality of soil. However, wherever there is a fertile soil and sufficient rainfall, certain crops grow like maize, wheat, barley, oats, potatoes. Then cash crops also grow like tobacco, sugarcane, and cotton. Now, the main occupation of the people is animal rearing. Sheep are reared in cooler and dry regions, and cattle rearing is practiced in warmer and wetter regions. Sheep are reared mainly for wool, and Merino and Angora are the two good breeds of sheep that give high variety of wool. Then dairy products like butter, cheese are also produced for export purpose, and meat and leather are also obtained from the cattle rearing. Now, well, they have a rich deposit of gold, uranium, diamond, coal, and iron ore. While Johannesburg is famous as the gold capital of the world, Kimberley is famous for diamond mines. Several mineral based industries like iron and steel, metal products, machinery, railway equipment, diamond industries, they all have come up in this region. Then there are certain agro based industries in the regions like woolen textiles, food processing, dairy, and leather products. And the presence of industries have promoted the network of roads and railways, and major cities are also connected by airways.